To add and use accessibility shortcut for high contrast font feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Tap advanced setting and then tap accessibility button. Tap select action and then select high contrast font. By adding the accessibility shortcut for high contrast font feature, now you can easily enable or disable high contrast font feature by tapping the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select high contrast font. When this feature is enabled, your phone will adjust the color and outline of font to make them stand out. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.